Understanding Maintenance Work, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term maintenance work. Understanding this phrase is not just about knowing its dictionary definition, but also seeing how it's used in various contexts. Let's dive in and make this term a part of your active vocabulary. At its core, maintenance work refers to the tasks performed to keep equipment, buildings, or any system running smoothly and efficiently. It's about preventing problems before they happen. This could mean regular checkups, cleaning, repairs, or replacing parts. Just like taking care of your health to prevent illness, maintenance work takes care of physical assets to prevent breakdowns. 1. Home maintenance. This includes routine tasks like cleaning gutters, fixing leaky faucets, or painting walls to keep a home in good condition. 2. Vehicle maintenance. This involves regular services like oil changes, tire rotations, or brake inspections to ensure a car runs reliably. 3. Industrial maintenance. In factories, this might involve servicing machinery, calibrating equipment, or updating software systems to ensure production runs smoothly. Maintenance work is crucial because it prevents major breakdowns. Regular upkeep can catch small issues before they turn into big, expensive problems. Extends lifespan. Just like regular exercise keeps the body healthy for longer, maintenance work extends the life of equipment and buildings. Ensures safety. Proper maintenance ensures that everything works as it should, reducing the risk of accidents. Preventive maintenance. Actions taken regularly to prevent breakdowns, rather than fixing things after they break. Routine maintenance. Regular, scheduled tasks to keep everything in working order. Breakdown maintenance. Repairs done after something has already broken down. We hope this guide has shed light on what maintenance work involves and why it's so important. Remember, maintenance is not just about fixing. It's about caring, preserving, and ensuring efficiency and safety. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this has been a valuable addition to your English learning journey.